In front of me is Nathan CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System. Now select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and use this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. If you wish to do it a little faster, you need to enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard and click on this gear icon at the top of it. You can enable it in the same settings over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!